Why don't you just take the third and fill it a little bit more?
Christina, who's making the cake?
Actually, a fourth is less than a third.
Okay, do you have a half a cup there?
Oh, I got a fourth. You're good.
A fourth is less than a third.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, whoops.
Christina, have you been making cakes wrong your whole life?
I have, but somehow they always come out good. I don't know.
Wait a minute,
what I do.
Jasmine. Wait a minute.
Who's Jasmine? Is that the puppy?
No, that's my dog.
Oh. Hi. You just wanted to come in the house, didn't you? Hi.
No, Christina. I wanted to stay outside for the rest of his life.
Maybe he did.
It's a she.
Sorry.
Jasmine.
That's alright, I said we too.
I'm sorry.
It's a shim.
Sam's calling our dog a shim.
Shim, isn't that an Arab man?
It's a cross between a she and a him.
She goes,
It's a Habib. Nice job slapping your kid. Imagine when it's like done and out of the pan. You just come over like whack it. Ew, where are they gonna put the goo? Who wants to eat off of that? That's why you wash it out first.
Mom, can I use it? What do we put on this? Ham? Ham? Touch your top. Do we even have it anymore?
There underneath somewhere.
Hefty. Now for a commercial break.
Should be under the thing. Under the middle.
The oil and everything.
And it's okay to put that on like a baking thing? Huh? Is it?
That's what it's for, or did you get the barbecue one?
Oh, the only one. Yeah, that's the barbecue. But I don't see the other one.
Alright, I'm out of time.
Huh?
Running out of time.
Where is it?
I don't know, Nicole. It's around here somewhere. I have no
What are you
idea.
looking for?